of all the way from New York, and now we're here at Hershey's Chocolate World. Yay! Chocolate everywhere. Whoa! Look at this place. Hershey's Chocolate World is like a giant candy playground. I think I smell chocolate already. Hershey's Chocolate World isn't just a store. You can ride a chocolate ride, make your very own candy bar, eat yummy samples, and even watch a chocolate movie. I wanna do all of it. Wait! You're watching my video but not subscribed. Wow, rude. Just kidding, but seriously, smash that button so I don't have to send the team of ninja hamsters to remind you. Now back to the fun. Okay, let's go explore more Hershey's Chocolate World fun. Come on, let's go.
First stop, expedition.
Next up, the Hershey's Great Candy Expedition. It's like a candy train that takes you to different sweet worlds. Reese's, Jolly Roger, Kisses, and so much more. All aboard!
Take a look. Your seat has left and right. Welcome to the home of special. The right one from Jolly Rancher Junction. Excellent choice. Off we go to Staten. Welcome to the land of chocolatey Kit Kat cabins and crisp wafer. Or we could go to the Twizzlers Forest. Hit the left arrow for Twizzlers Forest, or the right one for Reese's Ridge. One of my favorites. Let's go to Reese's Ridge. Here we are, folks. A delicious
May
oasis
sensation yung upuan, kaya parang may gumaganon din siya.
Hi, everyone. This is Rip. He's the manager at the Reese's factory.
Guilty. Welcome to Reese's Ridge. There's a lot to see.
When I eat a Hershey's treat, I feel I have no words, but I can show you how it makes me feel. Clap along, everyone. Oh, one more thing. Hit that action button one last time and show everyone how Hershey's makes you feel. Let's fly us to the sky. Time to get you back to the station.
4D cinema siya.
I had so much fun guiding you all through Hersheyland. I hope you had fun. Oh, look! All the treats we collected together are being unloaded for all of Hershey's Chocolate World to enjoy. Time for your next adventure. Come back soon.
Thank you.
Now it's time for Hershey's Create Your Own Candy Bar. First, we put on our super cool aprons and earnets. I look like a tiny chef. Then we pick our chocolate favorite
White chocolate.
toppings. Sprinkles or pretzels?
Chocolate bit.
Next comes the best part. pull the lever. And there it goes. Our body is getting filled with all the yummy stuff. But wait, chocolate needs a style too, so let's design our own box packaging. And now we just have to wait for the final surprise, our own very candy bar. Next up, Hershey's Unwrapped. It's a super fun show where you get to taste lots of chocolates while learning sweet secrets. Shh, no cameras allowed inside, so we'll cut it here. But trust me, it's chocolatey and yummy. Now it's time for the Hershey's chocolate tour. And guess what? This ride is free, no ticket needed. Woohoo! Yeah, but Papa forgot to change the camera settings, so the video looks kinda dark. Don't worry, here are some clips. Anyway, it's still super fun.
Chocolate the Hershey way, and you can taste the love all over the world. Taste the love, taste the love, taste the love. Have fun at the factory, everybody!
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm
Below me are milling machines, which grind cocoa nibs into
Taas kamay.
Next up, Trolley Works.
Boys and girls, welcome to Hershey and aboard trolley car number 4. My name is Carly and I will be your conductor today. Our motorman's name is Paul. Everyone say, hi, Paul. Hi, Paul. Now, Paul's job is very important because not only will he be taking us through Hershey, PA today, but he will also be taking us back in time. Ooh. Now, also on today's trip, we have our newest conductor riding with us. His name is Wilbur.
Hello.
So, Wilbur, is there any...
Wait a minute, stop the trolley,
What?
Stop the trolley, I don't have my camera.
Oh, Wilbur, you don't need your camera. You're a conductor. We're showing them around. And
No, it's fine, because I live right across town, so I can just run back and I can just run back and
what?
get it.
You're joking,
You won't even
right?
miss me.
Wait, Wilbur, where are you going? Wilbur, come back. You can't leave in the middle of the trolley ride.
It's a fun ride where we get to zoom around and learn all about Hershey's history, to look at all the chocolatey sights.
Nice to meet you, Charlie. Mr. Hershey's live, and it's really exciting. Oh,
Welcome back, Wilbur. Oh, I finally caught up to you. Oh, and you folks are still here.
Wilbur, I'm so glad you're back. Oh, where have you been?
Where have you been?
We've been looking all over town for you.
I've been looking all over town for you.
Oh, really? Well, I thought you were going to get your camera.
Funny story.
Okay.
So,
Wow, that was so much fun at Hershey's Chocolate World. We rode, we ate chocolate, we made chocolate, and even learned chocolate secrets. Thanks for coming with me on this sweet adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can go on even more yummy trips together. Bye! Wow!
Tingin. O, teka ah. Can I see? Pakita mo dito sa picture. Ano yan?
It's a candy bar. Can't wait to.